This current world requires that we position insurance to be a significant part of our lives, not just any deal at all, but one that will serve as a life-saving tool in the event of any disaster we may encounter in our daily activities. Lots of people are unaware of the many advantages they stand to gain from insuring their homes and automobiles, as well as their health and other valuables. Throughout this fantastic video today, we will cover everything that every living individual should be aware of regarding insurance companies and how they operate in order to make our daily lives more flexible. This is yet another life-sustaining piece of information, which we will reveal to you in this video, so please make every effort to watch the entire video from beginning to end. This is Finance Advisor. If you're new here, we specially welcome you, and at the same time, officially invite you to join our adorable fans. Kindly subscribe, click on the notification bell, and don't forget to smash the like and share button. Most importantly, your comment is highly welcome. Now there are some questions that need to be answered to get you in the perfect direction to get a deep knowledge about what insurance entails. What does insurance do? One of the most important functions of insurance is to assist people in protecting themselves financially against life's uncertainties, such as natural disasters or car accidents, as well as illnesses that may occur. How does insurance work? Insurance works by pooling the resources of a large number of people who face similar risks in order to protect the few people who suffer a loss. When you purchase an insurance policy and pay an insurance premium, you are putting some of your own money into safe hands, or you can call it a pool. If your property is accidentally lost, stolen, damaged, or destroyed, and you have a general insurance policy that covers those risks, you can file a claim and use that pool of money to help pay for repairs or replacements. This may allow you to avoid paying the full cost of replacing, repairing, rebuilding, or restoring valuable items if they are lost, stolen, damaged, or destroyed. It also means you might be able to avoid incurring a large debt or liability. When you purchase an insurance policy, your insurer promises to pay you for the type of loss specified in the policy, such as an accident, theft, loss, or catastrophe, by funding repairs or replacement of items up to the limit of your policy, or sometimes by providing a cash settlement. Making sure you get a good deal on insurance. You will be charged by an insurance company for the financial protection that your policy will give you. The premium is the amount of money that you will have to pay. Pay by the month, every 6 months, or every year. A broker can help you find the best deal for you, or you can do the shopping yourself. You can figure out which company will give you the best rate by getting at least 3 quotes. Based on how claims are handled and the policies of the insurance company, the rates will be different, and this is why. In law, you must have liability insurance for your car, or else you could get in trouble. When you buy a home and get a home insurance policy, a lender wants you to do this as well. When a financial loss would be too much for you to pay or recover from quickly. Suppose you have a lot of expensive computer equipment in your apartment. You'll need renter's insurance then. There are many types of insurance for people who live in homes, condos, and co-ops, as well as people who rent. There are policies for both cars and motorcycles. In some cases, boat insurance can be included in your home insurance. There is also separate insurance for boats of a certain speed or length that are not included in your home insurance. Health insurance, life and disability insurance, and all the other things you need to protect yourself. It can be in any of these groups. Liability insurance, which can be in any of them. You won't be able to sue if someone else loses money because of you. As long as you can get some of your policies from the same company, it's not a sure thing. Insurance requires a license and is broken up into groups. This means that before someone can legally sell it or give you advice, they must be licensed by the state to do so. They must also be able to sell and give advice on the type you are buying. They may say that they don't sell life or disability insurance for your home. In their network, they might be able to help you find the right agent to sell you a plan. To get a discount on your insurance, you might be able to buy more than one policy from the same person. This is called bundling your insurance. What does a home policy cover? The buildings on your land are covered by home insurance. All the structures in the space you live in, as well as your main home, should be included here. All the things you own and that you keep at home, as well as living expenses if you have to leave your home after a disaster, are covered. You can get renter's insurance to cover the things you own that are in your rental unit, as well as living expenses if you have to leave your home. It also covers your personal liability at home and around the world. Getting renter's insurance for a condo or co-op is the same as getting it for a home you rent. Some things that are unique to owning a unit or share in a building are also covered by the policy. Health insurance includes many types of policies. You can find basic health benefits, as well as other health policies, like dental or long-term care, in the same place you look. There are a lot of different types of insurance that you can get to meet your needs. Make a claim. If you don't, will you get money back? When you pay for insurance for a long time, you may wonder why you've been paying so much even though you haven't had a claim. Some people think they should get their money back even if they haven't filed a claim. Not at all. Insurance companies take your money and put it away for when you make a claim. This is the idea of shared risk. That's what people think will happen over time. If you don't file a claim, you might think you're throwing money out the window. But having the peace of mind that you're covered in case you lose a lot of money can be worth its weight in gold. A business called insurance is a way to make money. If the companies could just keep their prices at the same level, that would be great. But as it turns out, they have to make enough money to cover all the possible claims their policyholders might make. During the end of the year, a company must figure out how much they paid in claims compared to how much they earned in premiums. They must then change their rates to make money. Underwriting changes and rate changes are based on how well the insurance company did in the past. If you buy it from a company that has a captive agent, you may have to deal with them. They only sell insurance from one company. This is how it works. A broker sells insurance from a lot of different companies. It's important to know what agents, captive agents, and insurance brokers are, so we'll answer this question. When you buy insurance, the people who help you are the agents and brokers who work for the insurance company. They will show you what they have. They work for just one insurance company. It's not possible for them to speak about other companies' policies, pricing, or products because they don't know them. It's possible for an insurance broker or an independent agent to do business for you with more than one company at the same time. They will be able to work for more than one company, so they need to know what each company has to offer. Decide how much insurance you need and how much you want. If you love the effort we put in here to create a great content like this, kindly join us by clicking the subscribe button and activate the notification bell to be the first that will view our next interesting videos. Until next time, please write us your thoughts about today's video in the comment section below.